Hey girls, I hope you had a great weekend. Today is Monday, April 27th, and we are going to be working on Module 6, Lesson 2. So, our ITM statement is I can use metric measurement and area models to represent tenths as fractions greater than 1 and decimal numbers greater than 1. So as you can see here, I have a metric ruler, and each number, 0, 1, 2, 3, that represents a centimeter. Each smaller tick in between represents a millimeter. So let's take a look at our centimeter ruler here. If I want to draw a line segment that is 1 centimeter, I would have to start at the 0, travel to the 1, and stop. Now, let's say I want to draw one that is 1 3/10 centimeters. So it's more than 1. That means I'm going to have to start at 0, go to the 1, and then go 3 extra little notches. So that is 1.3 centimeters long. Now I want to do one that is 2 7/10 centimeters long. So it's more than 2, but smaller than 3. So I would start again at the 0, go past the 1, go past the 2, and then go an extra 7 little ticks. 5, 6, there it is, right there. So now I have 3 different line segments. And I'm actually, I think, I don't know if I can redo that one, but that's okay. So I have 3 different segments. One that is 1 centimeter long, one that is 1 3/10 centimeters, and one that is 2 7/10 centimeters. So now what I want to do is use tape diagrams also to represent some of our decimal numbers. And I have 3 1s and 4 10s. And I have some tape diagrams, and you'll notice that each of the tape diagrams is broken into tenths. So I need to first shade 3 1s, and remembering that 3 1s is 3 wholes. 1, 2, 3. So there's my 3 1s. But I also need an additional 4 tenths. So I'm only shading in a little bit more. All right, so now let's do one last part. So the last example I did with the tape diagrams represented 3 1s and 4 10s. Now, I know I can write that 2 ways. I can write it as a mixed number, 3 1s and 4 tenths. But I know I can also now write it as a decimal. 3.4 or 3 1s and 4 tenths. Okay, so 3 and 4 tenths, 3 and 4 tenths. So let's say I have an example like 2 ones, 3 tenths. Well, first I'm going to write it as a fraction. And if I were going to do a number bond for this fraction, it would be 2 and 3 tenths, or 2 plus 3 tenths. But now I can also do the same thing with my decimal. 2 and 3 tenths, which is equal to 2 and 3 tenths. You will see things like that on your online lesson and also in your packet. Don't forget, it's lesson 2 from module 6. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.